Good morning, children. In the previous class, we learnt about man is a social animal and good values, right? In that, we went through about personal values. Today, we are going to learn other values. They are cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, and constitutional values. How to say this? Constitutional values. First, we will be seeing cultural values. What do you see in this image? Church, mosque, and temple. Here, Christians, Muslims, and Hindus are living in our country. Not only they, other religion also living in our country. So we live together in harmony. For example, in our streets, other religion people will be living, isn't it? So we are living together. For example, for our festival, we share sweets and gifts, right? We are because we are all humans. We must live together as brothers and sisters. In the school assembly, we take an vote. What do we take? India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. So we are taking an oath that all Indians are my brothers and sisters. Not only our family but also everyone in our country we have to consider brothers and sisters. Okay, children? So we should follow and live together. Next one, social values. How should you behave in public places? We should maintain the following good values in public places. Here, first image, what do you see? We have to maintain good relation with people. So wherever you are, you should have a relationship with other people. Next one, respect elders. So you have to respect your elders. Whoever may be, we have to respect our elders. Next one, protect nature. Protect nature. Why they are saying to protect nature? Because we depend on nature. If we protect nature, we can live in earth peacefully and healthily. Okay? Next one, be tolerant. So already we have learned the meaning of tolerance, right? So I have to be tolerant to live in the society. Then we have to maintain friendship. So till the end of our life, friends will be coming. Okay, so we have to maintain friendship. Next, we are going to see disciplinary values. So, you know the meaning of discipline. First, punctuality. What is punctuality? Punctuality means be on time. For example, you are going to school, you have to be there at 8:45. Means you are going there at 8:45. That is punctuality. Next one is involvement. Involvement means participating. So you can participate in other curricular activities in school. Next one, treating everyone as equal. We should treat everyone equal. Sometimes we don't like some persons. We should not be like that. All are friends. So we should love everyone and treat them equal. Next one, doing work on time. We should not postpone your work. For example, you have to do your homework daily. We should not postpone it. Next one, holding your models. So we should keep up our values to achieve our goal. Next one, doing duties without fail. So we need to do our work without fail. For example, some students will postpone their homework. Then finally, exam time, they struggle to study. So if you do your daily homework, then no need to worry about studies, right? So we can revise in the exam time. Will you do, children? Yes. Next, constitutional values. Constitutional means relating to an established set of principles governing a state. Safeguard the public property. What are the public properties? Bus, train, park, monuments. So these are the public property. So we have to protect them and take care of them. Maintain the unity and integrity of the nation. Integrity means the quality of being honest. So we should be united and be honest for the nation. Next one, develop scientific attitude. So here, scientific attitude means desire to know and understanding, questioning to all statements, search for data and their meaning, search for verification and consideration of consequences. So one who becomes scientist, they all follow these points. So we should develop this attitude so that we can become scientist. So we have to develop the scientific attitude. Next one, protect the natural resources. What are natural resources? Air, wind, sun, plants, animals, water, solar energy, soil, etc. Right? So we depend on natural resources. If we protect, we can live peacefully. Since we are not protecting the nature, we come across natural calamities such as tsunami, flood, etc. Next, care for the environment. We should keep up our surroundings clean. Only then we can breathe good air. So we should take care of the environment. Next, honor the national symbols. So these are our national symbols. We should respect and honor them. Then, respect martyrs and their sacrifices. Martyrs means a person who is killed because of their religious or other beliefs. They lived and died for their God. So we should respect them. They are called martyrs. Next, preserve our culture and heritage. So we should keep up our culture and tradition till the end of our lives. Next one, develop patriotism. Patriotism means national pride, love of one's country, feeling of attachment, commitment to our nation. That is patriotism. So we should develop patriotism. So the lesson comes to an end. Here, there are some activities that you have to do. Circle the good values given above. So one example is given, that is punctuality. So I have to circle the values. Next one, match the following. Then answer the following questions. Define the term citizen. List out any 5 personal values. Write a short note on cultural values. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.